Hello friends, my boss asked me to filter the dataset in Excel. I used the old and the traditional method. I went to sort and filter and selected the filter option. Then I started filtering the datasets in mundane and tedious way. My boss scolded me and then taught me this amazing method, and I am sharing this method with you. Just select all the datasets by pressing Ctrl A and then press Ctrl T and click on OK. Now go to Insert in Excel ribbon and from there select Slicer, and finally select the fields you want to use as filters and click OK. After selecting the fields, you can customize the appearance of the slicer, such as changing the size, layout or styles to match your preference or worksheet design. For example, I am choosing a little reddish color for one of my slicer. Now as I click on a value in the slicer, the dataset dynamically updates to show only the data related to the selected value. This allows me to instantly filter and analyze the data based on my selection. You can also select multiple values in the slicer to apply multiple filters simultaneously. For that, just press Ctrl during selecting the second or third value in the same slicer. Get ready to revolutionize your data analysis experience with the cooler than ever slicer in Excel.